My name is Tim Anastopoulos. I'm the general manager of Anastos Motors. We're a different kind of pre-owned car store. We have late model, low mile vehicles, most of them with a remaining of the factory warranty. We treat every customer with dignity and respect. Our dedicated managers and staff members will make sure that the customers will have exciting and pleasurable buying experience. We offer a 2-year maintenance program for every customer that buys a vehicle from us, so they will do the oil changes, tire rotation, wiper blades for 2 years for no charge.
We take great pride in helping all types of customers get the best financing available. It's always a great feeling when a customer leaves with a car, their dreams or good transportation when they didn't think they could, when someone else couldn't help them and we were able to. It's a pretty good feeling.
We never forget that we are here because of our loyal customers.